once again. Namaste everyone. So today we are going to learn Surya Namaskar Vinayasa A, which is also called as Vinayasa Surya Namaskar A. And it is not only just that is going to help you out in your stretching and flexibility, but it is also going to give you a good amount of workout. If you say, it's going to help you in burning your calories. What you have to do is practice it for at least 5 to 10 times and you see that sweat coming out. So let's start, not take much of your time, and we'll start. So come in front of your mat and we stand here. This is the Samasthiti. As you inhale, you're taking your arms from your sides, bring up Hastottanasana. Make sure your belly is tucked in. As you inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, again, hands are coming from the side. You bend forward, forward fold, Padahastasana. Now you can fold your knees a little bit. If somebody has an issue with the knees, they cannot completely stretch, they have a problem in their hamstrings, just fold a little bit and then get down. Inhale, Uttanasana. Now in Uttanasana, make sure your back is not hunched, it is straight and you're looking in front. Make sure you're pointing towards front. You can place your palms on the mat if it is possible for you, or else with the fingertips, you can just stay like this and look in front. Uttanasana for you. Now, as you exhale, you bend your knees, bring your palms on the floor. We'll get into Chaturanga. Now, if you're a beginner, how you can do is just take your right leg back, left leg back. You can get into Chaturanga, or if it is a problem for you to get into Chaturanga, you can just place your knees down, for beginners especially, and try to get like this with the help of your elbows. This is Chaturanga. Now, if you are an advanced practitioner, how you will get from Uttanasana? You are here in Uttanasana. As you exhale, you take your legs back and get into Chaturanga. In exhale, Urdhva Mukha. Now in Urdhva Mukha, make sure that your toes are pointing outside and your thighs are off the ground like this. This is Urdhva Mukha. From here, as you exhale, you get into Adho Mukha. Now we'll take 5 breaths here. Inhale and exhale. So this is your resting point basically. 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more time. Now from here, if you're a beginner, as you inhale, we'll take our one leg forward, left leg forward, and then into Uttanasana. But if you are a practitioner from Adho Mukha, we'll jump forward into Uttanasana like this. Exhale, Padhastasana, hands towards your sides. Inhale, Hastottanasana, and back to normal in Samasthiti. So this is your Vinayasa Surya Namaskar A. You can practice it on daily basis instead of a normal Surya Namaskar that we do. You can also practice Vinayasa Surya Namaskar if you really want to have a good workout and also gain flexibility at that point of time. So that's how we do Vinayasa Surya Namaskar A. Thank you everyone.